Hey there, this is San Diego magician Tom Interval. Welcome to another interval of magic. Today I'd like to show you an original move with the hot rod. Now the hot rod is a classic trick that goes back to the 1970s. If you're already a magician or you've been into magic for a while, you probably already know what this is. But the move I'm going to teach you today is original as far as I'm concerned. I've never seen anyone do it. If it exists, contact me, but I've never seen anyone do this particular move. And it works particularly well with a heavy hot rod like these metal ones. It can still be done with the plastic ones of this variety, but it's meant to sort of replace the paddle move on heavier versions of the hot rod. At least that's what I use when I use this type. So if you're not familiar with what the hot rod is, if you're new to magic, I'm going to show you what the effect is, and then I'm going to explain my move, the one I use. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this interval of magic. Sometimes I shop in thrift stores, and I come across really bizarre objects like this one. This has gemstones. I'm sure they're not real, but they're kind of pretty, aren't they? And I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I thought this would be a perfect thing to use for a magic trick. And you see it has a purple gemstone, a green, red, blue, white or clear if you want to call it clear, or gold or yellow, whatever you want to call it. And in fact, it's identical on the other side as well. Same colors. Now what I'm going to ask you to do is name any number between 1 and 6. Which one would you like? 4. You positive? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Red. Keep your eyes on this odd-looking device. Watch. They all turn to your selected color. For now. But that's only on one side. Here's what I'm going to do. If I just shake the rod, that side also all turns to red. Now before I begin, I'd like to at least go over the basic effect for those of you who are brand new to magic, who you might not, maybe you've never heard of the hot rod. So the hot rod, I believe, was invented sometime in the 1970s. I could be wrong about that, so don't quote me. And in the 1970s, it was a plastic rod that was most available. Better quality than this particular plastic rod. This one is a beginner's version. It has grooves on the sides, which really help with something that you're going to see in just a second. So, the basic effect of the hot rod is to show a rod with 6 gems on one side and 6 gems on the other. And they're identical colors on each side. Someone names a number from 1 to 6. Now in my example that you saw earlier, they said the number 4. So I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, red, and then magically they all turned to red on both sides. Okay? Now in order to do the hot rod, you have to do something called
Thanks for watching and or listening to this interval of magic. If you enjoyed it and want to see more like it, along with a variety of other great magic-related content, please help support my work by becoming a Patreon patron at www.patreon.com/TomInterval. Also, please like and share this, subscribe to my Interval Magic YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, @IntervalMagic. Until then, may your intervals be happy, peaceful, and magical.